Hello, I'm Will from Will's Reviews, and today I want to share with you my favorite recipe for smoked chicken wings. It's a little bit labor intensive, but it's well worth the effort. They're great wings. I'll walk you through the whole process, and then I'll put that process in the description below. So last night I brined these chicken wings, and I used a gallon of water, a cup of kosher salt, and a cup of brown sugar just in a Ziploc bag. If you get in a rush and you can't brine them, then sometimes I'll put a water pan in the smoker, but brining works much better. So let me take you to the kitchen for the next step, and we'll go from there. Okay, I took them out of the brine and rinsed them off, and then put them on a baking rack inside of a baking sheet. That way all the water can drain off of them. And a lot of brining recipes with chicken, people talk about patting the chicken dry before you spice it. I don't do that. I think the rub sticks to the chicken better while it's wet. So I've coated both sides with my favorite barbecue rub, and I'm going to put these back in the refrigerator for about an hour just to let the rub do its thing, and then we'll put them on the smoker. Okay, I pulled them out of the refrigerator and I've got them in my smoker, and I'm going to smoke them at 235 for an hour and 15 minutes. This is a Smoking It electric smoker. This is the #1 model, but any smoker that could hold a steady temperature of 235 would work fine. If you have one like this or similar to it, I've used 1.5 ounces of cherry wood chips. I usually use cherry or hickory, but I think cherry is my preference. So we'll put these in an hour and 15 minutes, and while they're in, I'm going to make the sauce that will bathe them in and then put them back on for a final hour. So I'll be back. Okay, it's been an hour, so I'm going to take the wings off, take them in the kitchen, and toss them in a honey and barbecue sauce that I'll show you, and then they're going back in the smoker for another hour. About 10 minutes before they're ready here, I'm going to fire up my grill so that I can char the skin on the outside. You can use charcoal or gas, but as you probably know, charcoal is better and gas is faster and easier, so I'm going with gas tonight. Every good video that has smoked foods in it has that one scene where they open the door and you get to see all the good smoke. So here it is. They smell great. I'll see you in the kitchen. Okay, this next part is pretty self-explanatory, but I do want to show you one or two tricks. So I've got 4 ounces of honey, half a cup, and I'm going to mix that with a whole cup of good barbecue sauce. With anything you do cooking wise, you know, if you use quality products, you get a better end product. So I put this honey in the microwave to warm it up and make it easier to mix. And then I'm going to do it again after I pour in the barbecue sauce, because it came out of the refrigerator. So 1 cup of barbecue sauce, half a cup of honey, and a little goes a long way. This is a lot. I've got about 30 wings, and this will be more than enough to coat them. Actually, I told you I was going to heat this up. Let me put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then I'll come back and put it on. Okay, I microwaved the sauce for about 30 seconds just to make it mix better and not be a shock to chicken that just came off the smoker. I'm just going to toss this in here and try to coat everything. And then we're going back on the smoker for another hour. Okay, update. I forgot to add heat to my mixture. You can use Siracha or hot sauce, you know, whatever suits you. I'm a Siracha fan, and I just like medium heat. So that was That looks like medium heat to me. Sorry, I forgot that. I'm going to toss them again, then back on the smoker. Okay, so they're out of the smoker and onto a hot grill. And as I told you earlier, you kind of got to keep them moving because the honey burns quickly. This will probably take about 5 minutes, and then I will take everything into the kitchen and take a picture of the final product. Okay, a true confession. This is not simply a YouTube video. This is dinner tonight. So I tried to time it so I'd be finished in time for dinner, and as a result I lost my light. So I hope you can see what's going on here, but if not, I'll get a good picture in the kitchen when everything's done. Okay, here's the final product, and it looks like a pretty good batch. If you like what you see, please share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. So that's it. I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you'll try it. It's really, really good. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and right now I'm at 20. So thanks again, and take care.